Now it's available at McCarthycars, Škoda Superb, V6 TDI, Laurin Klement, 57 plate 2007, metallic blue. Car has front headlight washer, front parking sensor, 17-inch alloy wheels. It's got electric sunroof, privacy rear glass. Car has rear parking sensor. It's got split folding rear seats. Full grey leather interior. It's got side and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX choice seat preparation. It's got rear heated seats. For electric window, electric mirror folding mirror, fully electric seats, memory including as well. Car's got satellite navigation, 2-zone climate control, air conditioning, automatic transmission, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control. Thank you for watching.